Welcome back everybody to Southside Boy Style. Today we're here taking exhaust off this old worn out Mazda Tribute, and we're going to take this exhaust off and we're going to put it on the RAV4 plow truck. As you've seen, we just flipped her up on her side to make it easy to take the exhaust off. After that, it's going to the scrapyard. Just an easy way to be working at things. Hook up the old truck, flip it up on its side. Now we're going to take off the exhaust. Exhaust. Look, here's our buddy again. Bushwhacker. Bushwhacker. He's going to call himself Bushwhacker, so he's Bushwhacker. You're going to take the whole hanger off? Or you're taking it off? Use that muffler too, see? There you go.
Because we got those bolts, so instead of buffering up the gasket.
Yeah. Oh, that's a resin, that's not a muffler.
Sometimes the fuckers don't want to move.
We're getting it.
What?
You're getting it. You were. Now there's that one. Now get from the top. So we've got that rubber. There we go. You see, even for a Newfoundland vehicle where they use salt on the highways, the actual body is not that bad. What happened to this one was, the reason why it was taken off the road was because up in here, I'm trying to find it now. Oh, it's up in the front. A-frame was bad, and here it is right here. You can see right here, it's all gone.
All right, I turn this on.
Yeah.
I got that other socket set.
This one going to start, I wonder? Let's put the choke on. Yep. So guys, I'll tell you now, what I found with this quad is it's always having a discharge problem. When you shut it off, if you pull out the key and put the key back in, it doesn't discharge. Now figure that one out. You could leave it for weeks now and it'll start every time. If you forget to take this key out, come out in 4 hours and it'll kill the battery.
You want Dad to write your name on so you don't forget who owns it?
Well, if I write my name on it, I won't forget my name.
There you go.
That's always a good thing.
You're going to have to cut filler rolls.
You're going to have to... Oh my goodness. Yeah? Let me see. Let me get down there.
Or either that or I'm scrolling.
Well, you can unscrew him right from there, but I like that filler hose because he's the one. You can reach the clamp right there.
Where are you going?
Why? No, right enough, but it's nice to keep that hose because you got to fill her up with gas.
help you?
While he's getting that ready, it's really sad when you see these cars being scrapped. Am I right, Mr. Man?
Yeah.
It is really sad. Like, the bodies are good. I actually hate scrapping vehicles. The engine is perfect. Transmission is perfect. Four-wheel drive is perfect. What steer now? Well, you're gonna have
The hoses.
lines.
He's just gonna, we'll cut those.
Yes, we'll cut the lines. We'll
But
reconnect them.
they're only quick snaps.
Yeah.
And I can't.
Let me see.
Knife. You got the string took off.
Oh, I see. Yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah, but you should be able to nip them in. I got the tank up here.
Clear. All right, they're coming down.
See? Because he can sit right inside the back. We can strap him on right in the back of the RAV4. Okay, so now I'm going to try to start this one up and see if we can't get this one to start and drive. Oh, the battery must be disconnected. See why we need an exhaust system? See why we need exhaust on it? It's kind of loud. So what we're doing is took the tank out of that one.
Yeah.
We're going to put that gas tank in the RAV4, right in the hatchback, and connect them that way because the other gas tank.
Oh yeah, be better.
And we got sauce on for that one.
Yeah.
And you know what? You only got to put what is on each rear.
that how you do it with all of them?
That's how you do it Doofy style.
There you go. That how you do it with all of them?
That's how you do it